What's up again, everybody? This is Tino. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wave kit. These are the same things that come in a wave kit. This is the texturizing cream, and then you got the neutralizing shampoo. So what we're going to do is put this texturizer in. So what this is pretty much a lye-based relaxer. You just don't leave it in as long. So the difference between like the texturizers and the relaxers is just the way you apply it, the way you manipulate the hair while it has the texturizing cream on the hair. So, and then the next thing you got is the neutralizing shampoo. So what that does is it neutralizes the chemicals in here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a bowl, so you can see, you know this stuff will turn pink, and you want to see, exactly what it looks like once you get all the pink out. It should come out white. So I'll get straight to that and talk through, what the product's going to do, what it looks like before and after, and then we'll go from there. So this is where my hair is at right now. It's not super curly. Well, I mean, it is super curly. It's really coarse. But what we're gonna do is see where we go. If this will lay my hair down, it would if I left it on. It would be bone straight. But I want my goal is to get my curls to my desired curl pattern. So what I'm doing is we're laying this down for like a 360 wave pattern. So all the natural wavers out there, I understand, but I'm showing what this looks like for my clients. So what this will look like for me, I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. Some people prefer to do it this way. So if you want to brush and brush and brush, which I'll be doing too, which I have been doing, not as consistently or as often as I should, but I'm going to show what a wave kit looks like. So this is what a wave kit looks like, how to do it where you don't harm your skin or harm your hair. So give me one sec. I'll cut over to what it looks like mixing the products, so you can figure out how to get this out of your hair, because that's the most important part. All right, so check this out. Here you go. So we've got our texturizing cream, we got our neutralizing shampoo, we've got our conditioner. Well, I'm using this one just because it was cheaper one that you can actually get at the beauty supply store, and it's sulfate free, which it's something that you want to kind of keep away from additional chemicals. I could explain that later, but this isn't the right video for that. But what we're gonna do is, look, check this out. So this is what this looks like when you mix the texturizer right with the neutralizing shampoo. And what it actually has is a color alarm, is what they call it. So it just shows you what it looks like when it's so that comes out orange, right? And then when you mix these together, you see that it comes out as this pink color. So you want to use this shampoo until it comes out clean, clear, you get white bubbles. So you don't want to get any more pink bubbles once you get done with this. So what I'm gonna do is use this cream. I'm gonna apply it with my comb to my hair. I'm gonna comb it through to the sections that are the most coarse first.
How about I just show you what I'm talking about?
And then we'll apply it to the rest of the section of the hair slowly and as needed. So what I'm gonna do is actually skip some sections at the top of my head and then work around the edges where the hair is more coarse and the hairline first.
So I'm just continuing to work this cream through my hair. I'm using the back of the comb to spread it a little bit easier, making sure that I don't miss any spots. I'm gonna do my crown last just because it lays down a little bit easier than the sides of my head, especially that right side. And the last thing I'm doing is smoothing it in with the gloves, making sure I don't miss any major spots, and then I'm gonna just pay attention to how it feels when it processes. I'm starting to shampoo it out. I didn't wait very long while it was processing just because I didn't want it to over process and my hair was starting to lay down really quickly, it felt like. And so that's why you see me starting to go in with the shampoo, and I'm making sure that I get all the pink out See, look, I still got some pink suds in the back. So I'm just gonna do this until I get all the pink out. And then I'm gonna go in with some conditioner, and I'll talk through that part once I get there. Okay, so I'm finishing up with the shampoo. I'm about to get the rest of the suds off of my neck, so I'm not drying out the hair. I just wanted to get the suds off my neck so I can put the conditioner in without having any shampoo still left in my hair. So as you can see, that's what we're doing here, starting off with the conditioner and hair. So while I'm putting my conditioner in, I want to switch over, for when I rinse it out. I just want to brush some of my conditioner through to get the waves to lay the way that I want them to. Just like we did when we do rag it and everything like that, it'll just be easier to manage. So it's the same concept as like a blowout kit. The same concept, it just loosens the curls so that, they're longer. Like the more curls you have, the shorter the hair looks and the shorter it seems. So what I mean right there is the length of the curl overall, the length of the hair. So the idea with the waves is to stretch the curls out over or across the scalp. So I'm just washing out this conditioner that we brushed, and I let it sit for a little while. So maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner, rinsing out like 80-90% of it, because it's not necessarily going to hurt the hair before we start to go in with the pomade. So that's what we're transitioning into right now. I'm about to grab the pomade and get that started. All right, so the last couple things I'm gonna do is use a light pomade. And brush this and do-rag it. And once I do those, I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. So I do-rag it for maybe 20-30 minutes after I brush this to show you the difference from where we were before to what it looks like now. And I leaned on the side of not over processing it, so I didn't even really let this sit. I had an extra strength texturizer since I was doing a video and I wanted to go ahead and get some results going. So I was just really paying attention to, how the hair felt, feeling the curls start to relax out or kind of lay down and not stand up to the cream that was on it. So once the cream started to lay the hairs down, I just wanted to go ahead and pretty much get the texturizing cream out of there, because I don't want it to look over processed. Like I really don't want it to be or look over processed. So this will still pass for a mostly natural look. I don't think anybody would really question, like whether or not I use some type of texturizer kit at this point. The goal is to try and go ahead and make it look natural for your hair and where you are. So, all right, so I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes. Got my do-rag on, and I'm going to take this off, see what it looks like. It's the first time I'm seeing it too. So, let's see if it looks any different. It feels a little bit softer than me. It's laying down a lot more than how it was before. It feels softer. I only left it on for, a few minutes. But if I would have left it on any longer, I feel like it would have started to straighten my hair out too much. So I need it to be a little bit longer just to get it to where I would want it to be if I had a longer curl pattern. But that's what it looks like. And this is what my hair looked like after we finished everything, after do-rag for about another hour. So the front of my hair laid down a lot more than it ever has. Being texturized, you can see that it's a lot smoother. It feels a lot smoother to the touch. The sides of my hair laid down a lot more, and this is just an hour or so after having a do-rag on. So I'm pretty excited about the results. Let me know what you think in the comments.